Deep, deep down, where the sunlight dances on the waves, lived a little whale named Kai. Kai was no ordinary whale. He was filled with a bubbling curiosity that was even bigger than his giant tail, while other whales were content chasing schools of fish. Kai dreamt of the mysteries hidden in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. One sunny afternoon, while exploring a canyon he'd never seen before, Kai noticed something peculiar. It was a faint, shimmering light, pulsing gently from the entrance of a hidden cave. It wasn't like the sunlight he knew. This light was different. It glowed with all the colors of a rainbow, beckoning him closer. His heart thumped with excitement and a little bit of fear. Taking a deep breath and a brave swish of his tail, Kai swam into the glowing darkness. Wow! The inside of the cave was more magical than anything he could have imagined. The walls weren't made of rock, but of sparkling crystals that pulsed with a soft, warm light. Glowing sea anemones waved their tentacles like friendly arms, and tiny, sparkling fish zipped past him like shooting stars. It was an enchanted cave. Kai had heard whispers of such a place from the ancient sea turtles, but he never believed it was real. As he ventured deeper, he saw a cluster of beautiful pearly shells, but one shell was different. It was much larger and seemed to hum with a gentle energy. As Kai nudged it with his nose, the shell slowly opened. Inside, nestled on a velvet-like cushion of seaweed, was not a pearl, but a tiny, shimmering seahorse, fast asleep. The seahorse, whose name was Sparkle, woke up with a yawn and wasn't scared at all. "You've found the heart of the ocean," Sparkle chirped. "It's been waiting for someone brave and kind enough to find it." Sparkle explained that the cave was a sanctuary, powered by the magic of friendship and courage. For years it had been hidden, waiting for a new guardian. But there was a problem. A grumpy giant crab named Grumbles had blocked the cave's main energy source with a huge boulder, causing the light to fade. The magical creatures were losing their sparkle. Kai knew what he had to do. He wasn't the biggest whale, but his heart was full of courage. Following Sparkle's directions, Kai found Grumbles guarding the boulder. The crab was huge and had a very stern look on his face. Instead of charging, Kai remembered what Sparkle said about kindness. "Excuse me, Mr. Grumbles," Kai said softly. "Why did you block the crystal?" The giant crab was surprised. He explained that the light was too bright for his naps. Kai thought for a moment and then had an idea. He and the other sea creatures worked together to build Grumbles, a cozy, shaded den with soft sand and mossy pillows, far enough away from the bright crystal. Grumbles was so touched by their kindness that he happily moved the boulder himself. Instantly, a brilliant, warm light flooded the cave, brighter than ever before. The colors danced on the walls, and all the magical creatures cheered. Kai had learned that true bravery wasn't about being the strongest, but about being brave enough to be kind and understanding. He realized the greatest treasure wasn't the enchanted cave itself, but the friends he made and the lessons he learned. From that day on, Kai became the guardian of the cave, a friend to all, reminding everyone that the journey and the kindness we share are the most precious treasures of all. Thank you for joining Kai on his magical adventure. If you loved this story, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that little bell so you don't miss our next Storytime journey. See you next time.